Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the Enemy from the Stars. As you know that the chapter third, the Journey to the End of the Earth, is already deleted from your syllabus for this year. So we are going to start the Enemy, and this is a really very interesting story of the World War II. And we have four important characters related to the story. First one is the Dr. Sadao. Second one, the Hannah. Third one, the Tom, and the General. Dr. Sadao, he is a Japanese doctor, belong to Japan. Hannah is the wife of Sadao. Hannah is the wife of Sadao. Tom is a war prisoner. Tom is a American war prisoner. And General belong to the Japanese army. We have four main important characters of the story: the Dr. Sadao, Hannah, the Tom, the war prisoner, and the fourth one is General. All the story that revives around the story, the character of all four one. So I am going to start. This is from the page number 24. The first one, Dr. Sadahoki's house was built on a spot of Japanese coast, where as a little boy he had often played. As I have already informed you that the story belonged to the period of Second World War. And during the Second World War, Sadao was serving his country as a doctor, and it was a very crucial situation throughout the world also. And here Dr. Sadao has been felt himself as he was trapped in a situation. Either he should follow the duty as a doctor or a patriotic. Dr. Sadahoki's house was built on a spot of Japanese coast, where as a little boy he had often played. The low square stone house was set upon rocks well above a narrow beach that was outlined with bent pines. Sadahoki, the complete name of the Japanese doctor and the main character of the story. उसका जो घर है वो एक समुद्र के किनारे पर है. A beautiful outlet was there, और पाइन ट्रीज जो है वहां पर जो उसके व्यू को और भी ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल बना देते हैं. As a boy, Sadao had climbed the pines, supporting himself on his bare feet. He had seen men do in the South Seas when they climbed for coconut. His father had taken him often to the islands of those seas. वो देखता था वहां पर जो कोकोनट ट्रीज हैं, especially the people who belong to these particular areas, they were dependent thoroughly upon the ocean and other primary activities related to the oceanic creatures and many more. तो वहां पर जो लोग थे वो उन ट्रीज पर, कोकोनट ट्रीज पर चढ़कर किस तरह से वो कोकोनट निकालते हैं और इन सारी एक्टिविटीज को वो वॉच करता था अपने फादर के साथ. उसके फादर उन्हें लेके जाते थे उस आइलैंड पे. नेवर हैड फेल टू से टू द लिटिल ब्रेव बॉय एट हिज साइड, those islands yonder they are stepping stone to the future of Japan. वो हमेशा कहते थे कि वो सारे आइलैंड जो जापान जिससे घिरा हुआ है वो हमेशा उसके फ्यूचर के लिए एक माइलस्टोन प्रूव होंगे. Where shall we step from them? Sadao had asked seriously. Who knows? His father had answered. Who can limit our future? It depends on what we make it. उसके फादर जो उसके लिए the father of Sadao was always a source of inspiration to him. वो हमेशा उनसे इंस्पायर करते थे कि हमारा फ्यूचर वही होता है जो हम उसको बनाना चाहते हैं और बना सकते हैं. Sadao had taken his into his mind as he did everything his father said. Sadao जो है वो अपने फादर को लेकर he was very obedient to him. His father who never joke or play with him but who spent infinite pain upon him, who was his only son. तो उसके फादर ने उसके साथ कभी लीजर टाइम स्पेंड नहीं किया. इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट वो अपने बेटे के साथ हमेशा अपने पेन और अपने डिस्ट्रेस को जो है उसके साथ शेयर करते थे. Sadao knew that his education was his father's chief concern. For this reason he had been sent at 22 to America to learn all that could be the learn of surgery and medicine. That was the time before the World War when Sadao has been sent to America by his father to learning the education of the medical and the doctor. He had come back at the 30, and before his father died, he had seen Sadao become famous not only as a surgeon but as a scientist. तो सदाव अमेरिका में जो उसने अपनी मेडिकल की ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट की, जब वो 22 इयर्स का था वो वहां चला गया, 30 इयर्स का कंप्लीट होके और अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करके एज अ डॉक्टर एज वेल एज अ साइंटिस्ट ऑल्सो. Why he was called a scientist? Because he was perfecting a discovery which would render the wounds entirely clean. कि उसने जो सर्जरी डिस्कवर की थी जिससे हम किसी घाव के निशान को पूरी तरह से क्लीन कर सकते थे. He had not been sent abroad with the the army. Also he knew there was some slight danger that the old general might need an operation for a condition for which he was now being treated medically, and for this possibility Sadao was being kept in Japan. जनरल जो बहुत पेन में था, तकलीफ में था, उसने जो है सदाओ को आर्मी के साथ नहीं भेजा था बैटलफील्ड में, क्योंकि उसको किसी भी समय मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट की जरूरत पड़ सकती थी. एंड सदाओ वाज द ओनली वन जो उसके लिए जो है उसको लगता था कि ओनली द बेस्ट डॉक्टर हु इज सदाओ. तो जनरल ने अपने सेल्फ कंसर्निंग एंड ग्रीडीनेस की वजह से सदाओ को ट्रूप के साथ नहीं भेजा. क्लाउड वर राइजिंग फ्रॉम द ओशन नाउ. अनएक्सपेक्टेड वार्मथ ऑफ द पास्ट फ्यू डेज had at night drawn heavy fog from the cold waves, and Sadao watched mist hide outlines of the little islands near the shore and then come creeping up the beach below the house, then writhing around the pines. Sadao स्पेशली इन द इवनिंग टाइम वो बहुत स्पेंड करता था अपने बरामदे में जो घिरा हुआ था समुद्र से, और वहां पे बहुत ही खूबसूरत व्यू स्पेशली एट द नाइट, जिस समय फॉग उसे नजर आ रहा है और वो वहां पर जो है खड़ा हुआ है अपना कुछ लीजर टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए. इन अ फ्यू मिनट फॉग वुड बी रैप्ड अबाउट द हाउस टू, देन ही वुड गो इनटू रूम वेयर हाना हिज वाइफ वुड बी वेटिंग फॉर हिम विद द 2 children, and he was there, his wife Hana, who was spending the time with the children. Then but at moment the door opened, she looked out, dark blue woolen heroi, that's a kind of इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ स्पेशल जापानीज ड्रेस. तो उसने जो है एक जापानीज यूनिक कोई ड्रेस पहना हुआ है जो ट्रेडिशनली जापान में पहना जाता है. एंड ओवर हर किमोनो इज द अनदर नेम of the special dress of Japan. She came to him affectionately and put her arm through his as he stood, smiled and said nothing. They were spending a good time with together. He had met Hana in the America, but he had waited to fall in love with her until he was sure he was Japanese. As we know that Sadao was very obedient to his father and he never wanted to break the heart of his father. So when he started to love Hana, but he couldn't express his love until he was very sure that Hana is also a Japanese. His father would never have received her unless she had been pure in her race. Pure in her race, it means the Hana is also pure Japanese. He wondered often whom he would have married if he had not met Hana. By what luck he had found her in most casual way, by chance, literally. Then Dr. Sadao feel very lucky to himself that he could find Hana, because Hana is quite a perfect match for him. At an American professor's house, the professor and his wife had been kind people and anxious to do something for their few foreign students, and the students, though bored and accepted this kindness, Sadao had often told Hana how nearly he had not gone to Professor Harley's house that night. The rooms were so small, the food so bad, Professor Harley so voluble, but he had gone, and there he had found Hana, a new student, and had felt the would love for her if it were at all possible. And Sadao is reminding all the time he has spent in America, the professor's house. The wife of professor was very voluble. It means she spoke too loudly, and the food he got there was not so good. But almost he was very happy because he got Hana from the place there. Now he felt her hand on his arm, was aware of the pleasure it gave him. Even they had been married years enough to have 2 children. And he is reminding the sweet memories of their life story, and now they have 2 children, for they had not married heedlessly in America. When they were mature, they were getting their education, but they were not so much heedlessly. They got married in America. They had finished their work at school, had come home to Japan, and when his father had seen her, the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way. इससे पता चलता है सदाव जो है वो कितना जो अपने फादर को ओबे भी करता था, और एज वेल एज ही वाज वेरी फुल ऑफ पेशेंस, रेजोल्यूशंस, कि उसने वो सारी अपनी मैरिड लाइफ को स्टार्ट करने से पहले वो सारी चीजें जो है बहुत क्लियर की जो उसके फादर उससे एक्सेप्ट करते थे, और उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे वो बिल्कुल खरा उतरता है। सदाव एंड हाना टॉक एवरीथिंग ओवर beforehand. They were perfectly happy. She laid her cheek against his arm. They were spending some quality time with one another. It was at this moment that both of them something black come. वो दोनों वहाँ जो है साथ में थे अपने आउट फ्रॉम देयर हाउस देयर। अचानक से वो क्या देखते हैं कि ओशन में से कुछ चीज उन्हें बाहर आते हुए दिखाई देती है। समथिंग ब्लैक कम आउट ऑफ द मिस्ट। इट वॉज अ मैन। ही वॉज फ्लंग अप आउट ऑफ द ओशन। फ्लंग अप मीन्स जैसे किसी पानी की वेव ने उसको फोर्स के साथ बाहर फेंक दिया। इट सीम टू हिज फीट बाय अ ब्रेकर। ही स्टेगर्ड अ फ्यू स्टेप, हिज बॉडी आउटलाइन अगेंस्ट द मिस्ट, हिज आर्म अबव हिज हेड, देन द कर्ल मिस्ट हिट हिम अगेन। तो उन्होंने देखा उस मिस्ट, उस कोहरे में उन्हें दिखाई दिया जैसे किसी कोई चीज या किसी आदमी को उन वेव्स ने बाहर की तरफ फेंका। उसने कुछ कदम चलने की कोशिश की। ही वो जो है ट्रैम्बलिंग कर रहे थे उसके पैर, और उसके बाद फिर से वो जो है धुंध में कोहरे में छुप गया। Who is that? Hannah cried. She dropped Sadav's arms. They both leaned over the railing of veranda. उन्होंने बहुत वरांदा की रेलिंग से झुककर देखा कि उन्हें समझ आ जाए कि वो क्या है। Now they saw him again. The man was on his hands and knee crawling. तो देखा he was a man. जो क्रॉलिंग करने की, इट मीन्स घुटनों और हाथों के सपोर्ट से वो क्रॉलिंग, इट मीन्स रेंगने की कोशिश कर रहा था, चलने की कोशिश कर रहा था। Then they saw him fall on his face, lie there. A fisherman perhaps, Sadav said, washed from his boat. तो उन्हें लगा कि as because it was the place where so many fishermen especially came to fishing there, तो उन्हें लगा कि शायद कोई बोटमैन होगा जिसकी बोट वहां डूब गई होगी और वो बचकर किनारे तक आया। He ran quickly down the steps and behind him Hannah came, her white sleeves flying. Mile or two away on either side there were fishing villages, but there was only the bare and lonely coast, the dangerous with rocks. Sub beyond the beach was skipped with rocks. Somehow the men had managed to come through them. He must be badly torn. तो उन्हें लगा क्योंकि जिस प्लेस पर वो रहते थे वहां बहुत डेंजरस रॉक्स थी, और मोस्टली जब कभी कोई बोट या कोई भी इस तरह फिशरमैन वहां फंस जाया करते थे, तो जैसे कि ये आज इसके साथ हुआ है, तो इट वॉज वेरी डेंजरस टू हिम टू टर्न देमसेल्फ सराउंडेड बाय द रॉक्स ऑफ द प्लेस। तो वो बहुत बुरी तरह से टर्न, इट मीन्स ही वॉज वेरी मच इंजर्ड, बैडली इंजर्ड। दे saw when they came towards him. Indeed it was so. The sand on one side of him already a stain of red soaking through. तो पूरा वो जो है मिट्टी में सना हुआ था, रेत में सना हुआ था, और रेड स्टॉकिंग इट मीन्स ब्लीडिंग जो है वो साफ दिखाई दे रही थी। उसका जो उसके कपड़े हैं वो काफी ब्लड में थे। He is wounded, Sadav exclaimed. He made haste to the man who lay motionless. वो सदाव because he is a doctor, वो तेजी से उस आदमी की तरफ दौड़ा जो मोशनलेस था, अनकॉन्शियस था। His face in the sand, old cap struck to his head, soaked with the sea water. He was in wet rags of garment. उसके कपड़े बहुत फटे हुए और बिल्कुल भीगे हुए थे। सदाव स्टॉप हाना एट हिज साइड, टर्न द मैन हेड, दे सा द फेस। सदाव और हाना ने उसको टर्न किया, उसे पलटा और देखा। अब वाइट मैन, हाना विस्पर, हाना ने कहा वो तो एक वाइट मैन है, इट मीन्स ही वॉज एन अमेरिकन। Yes, it was a white man. The wet cap fell away and there was the wet yellow hair, long as though for many weeks it had not been cut. जैसे ही वो सर से कैप रिमूव हुई, उसके येलो हेयर दिखाई दिए जो लगता था काफी टाइम से कट नहीं हुए हैं। Upon his young and tortured face was rough yellow beard. He was unconscious. Tortured face means there were so many scars over his face. उन स्कार्स, उन जख्मों के निशान को देख के लगा कि that man was tortured and he was unconscious, knew nothing that they did for him. तो वो बिल्कुल अनकॉन्शियस था, उन्हें समझ नहीं आया कि वो क्या कर सकते हैं उसके लिए। Now Sadav remembered the wound had been expert fingers. He began to search for it. Blood flowed freshly at his touch. On the right side of his lower back, Sadav saw that a gun wound had been reopened. सदाव ने अपने एक्सपर्ट हैंड से चेक करने की कोशिश की कि ब्लीडिंग कहाँ से हो रही है, तो देखा उसने कि वहां पर एक गोली लगी हुई है. The flesh was blackened with the powder, and some time, not many days ago, the man had been shot. Had not been tended, it had been chance that the rock has struck the wound. तो बहुत टाइम से इसको गोली लगी है, इसका कोई ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हुआ और अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसी प्लेस पे सेम वो टकरा गया एक चट्टान से, जिसकी वजह से उतनी ब्लीडिंग उसे हो रही है. Oh, how he is bleeding, Hannah whispered again in a solemn voice. The mist screened them now completely, and his time of day no one came. Fishermen had gone home. Even the chance the beachcombers are the people who usually dependent upon their life to getting valuable things from the ocean and sell them, would have considered the day at end. तो उस समय वहां पर कोई भी नहीं था. वो सारे बीच कॉम्बर जो ओशन के किनारे आकर वो सारी वैल्यूएबल चीजों को देखते हैं, उसे वहां से कलेक्ट कर कर बेचते हैं. फिशरमैन या और भी दूसरे लोग, वहां कोई नहीं था क्योंकि इट वॉज वेरी लेट एट नाइट. What shall we do with this man? सदाओ मिटर. सदाओ सोचने लगा, उसने कहा कि क्या करेंगे इसका. But this trained hand seem of their own will to be doing what they could do, stretch the fearful bleeding. सबसे पहले उसे लगा कि ब्लीडिंग को कैसे स्टॉप किया जाए. He packed the wound with the sea moss. Sea moss, it's a type of algae found nearby the ocean. They strewed the beach and man was mourn with pain in the stupor, but he did not awaken. तो उसने उस मॉस को यूज किया उसकी ब्लीडिंग को रोकने में, और वो जो है the person the prisoner was completely unconscious and he was maybe he was in very much pain, stupor. The best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea, Sadao said, answering himself. Sadao को लगा because he is an American war prisoner, and that time that was the period of Second World War. At the period of Second World War, Japan and America, they were against each other in the battlefield. It was not good for them to heal a person who belonged to the their enemy, who belonged to the country who is doing battle against them. तो ये बेटर होगा कि उसको जो है वापस पानी में डाल दिया जाए, उसको ट्रीटमेंट करें या ना करें. They were trapped in the situation. Either he would play a role of a doctor or a patriot. So tomorrow we will continue कि what decision the Sadao will take about this war prisoner and what will happen in the next part of the video.